Right, strap yourself in because we are making my flaming hot buffalo chicken sandwich and it's going to blow your socks off. First thing we're going to do is make the marinade, and that consists of buttermilk, buffalo sauce, salt and white pepper. Then in goes some boneless, skinless chicken breast that you've pounded until even. And then we're going to marinate the chicken and get cracking on with the batter. Into a bowl of flour, we're going to add some smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, onion and garlic powder, bacon powder, salt and pepper. Then you're going to dredge through your chicken and get in all of those cracks and crevices to create those gorgeous flaky bits. Into some hot oil, and we're going to deep fry it until it's golden and crunchy and it's cooked through the centre. Now here's where things really take off. We're going to use the leftover oil to make a glaze with some buffalo sauce alongside some smoked paprika and some honey. Whisk that together until everything's evenly combined and turns into a nice glossy glaze. Then we're going to grab a brush and slather it all over that crispy fried chicken. To make the sandwich, I'm going to use some toasted brioche buns with some onion, lettuce and tomato, and then I'm going to add some crispy bacon and a load of blue cheese sauce.